red lentil bottle gourd rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lentil recipes and one of the most delicious of the gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes, one of the most different of the bottle gourd recipes. Today we are going to make red lentil bottle gourd rice. The ingredients are around 100 grams of red lentil, 2 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, around 150 to 200 grams of bottle gourd, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 12 to 15 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots, salt the shallots, keep on sauteing. Shallots until they lose their pinkish color. Now put in the garlic, salt, the garlic, the shallots. Now put in the tomato pieces, saute. saute it. In between crushed tomatoes. Put in the bottle red and the 2 red chillies. Sauce. Saute and mix the bottle red chilli, become saute. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in salt paste. Put in a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix thoroughly and salt. Now put in the red lentil or masoor dal. Mix. Thoroughly saute and mix. With the rest of the mixture. Now pour in around 250 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the red lentil bottle gourd rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Red lentil bottle gourd rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the gourd recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.